Dealing with children, you never know what can happen. They may get sick, they can harm themselves. You want to know that you have the security that you could take them to the hospital and you don't have to worry about whether or not they're going to be seen or you can afford the services that they need.
Well, during the course of the first couple of years of life for your child, we as pediatricians recommend that your child receive on average about 20 different vaccinations. Some of them may cost you anywhere between $80, some of them may cost you several $100s. Imagine having to come in and pay for 3 or 4 of these at one time, in addition to your health maintenance exam. Health insurance can alleviate so much of this for you.
Knowing that I have that chip is available is really a blessing.
Most families will take their child to a medical facility during periods of illness, and they'll get medical care in that way. But having health insurance increases the probability that they'll be taken also for preventive health care, which includes vision, dental, as well as medical. And by way of medical, their prescriptions as well. I once saw a child whose mother's complaint was that he was fidgety, he was inattentive, he wasn't doing well in school, and all it was that the child couldn't see very well.
My daughter, she goes to St. Christopher's for dental. She actually had some work done in the front of her mouth that would have been extremely expensive for me. Like, I don't even know if I would have been able to pay for it out of pocket. I definitely would have had to be on a payment plan if I did have the other coverage that I had, but with the KidzPartners, it was totally free.
Kids who have health care miss less time at school, so they get a better education. They start out life on a better foot and they go forward better. Regardless of what your status is as a parent, if your child was born in the United States, they are eligible for CHIP. And there's no one who makes too much money to get CHIP. And as there are more and more people who are self-employed and more employers who don't offer insurance for kids, this is a very, very important resource, and we're very grateful in Pennsylvania to have this opportunity.
It's easy to sign up for KidzPartners. We can even have a representative come to your home to answer your questions and help you fill out the application.
Under our KidzPartners program, we allow those parents to understand each and every benefit that those children are entitled to. We're 24 hours, 7 days a week. Members can call in, they can ask questions.
I've used the customer service line over the telephone. It's not a recording. You speak to a live person and they are very helpful.
We have over 65 to 70 reps answering those calls. It's all about how they're being treated, how the family is being treated. So you're going to always hear those things about KidzPartners in the community because they love us.
One thing that really sets us apart is that we're not for profit. We're owned by 6 local hospital systems. The people who are overseeing us as a board are all healthcare professionals, all hospital CEOs or doctors. We're much more naturally focused on quality and health outcomes because that's what hospitals are all about too. Same focus, quality and health outcomes.
In this country, there's a growing epidemic of obesity in children, and we try to incorporate the parents as well as the child in maintaining healthier ways of living. The healthier they are now, the healthier they will be in the future.
Once children have embraced physical activity, they start doing and performing a lot better in school because their self-esteem has been improved with being physically fit. They just start feeling a whole lot better about themselves.
For the fitness, it's definitely a great opportunity for a child because of the fact that memberships in general are very expensive. Through KidzPartners, you can actually get the membership at no cost, really. There is no registration fee and there is no copay for KidzPartners members.
Once I got Taylor signed up with KidzPartners, it was definitely a weight off my shoulders. And I felt confident because I didn't even have to change doctors or anything. And they accepted the coverage and we went in and with no problems, no worry.